That's why He gives importance to His death rather than His birth. And He commanded. In other sect of religion, they would say, I want to wear a cross on my breast, a necklace of the cross, to remind me of what the Lord has done for me. No, the Lord said, this do in remembrance of me. This is the biblical way. And in doing this, there is what they call curse reversal. That our weaknesses and sicknesses, even our eyes, will be open to understanding. Do you have a problem? Why is it the Bible I cannot understand? Why is it that when I read, I go to sleep? Why is it that when there is preaching, I want to sleep? That's the work of Satan. Because God's work is to open our eyes and give us understanding, just like the husband and wife walking on the road of Emmaus. That when Jesus explained, their eyes were open, just like the 11 disciples assembled in the upper room. When Jesus explains Moses and the prophets and Psalms, their eyes were open and they have understanding. Oh, that is our prayer. That to the Lord's table, we have our eyes open to the understanding. Do you have a realization that the Bible is so hard? I cannot understand this. Hard that it makes me sleep. You are under the curse of Satan. Study sa Bible. The moment you have that idea, I don't know, sometimes if you will open your Bible, you will not realize that I cannot understand the Bible. Why is it that when it is explained, I understand it, but if nobody explains to me, I read it, I fail, and I like to sleep. You are under the spell of the curse of Satan. But God has a desire that our eyes will be open and understand the spiritual word of the Lord. The Bible is a spiritual word that cannot be understood by the natural man. The natural man cannot understand. Our eyes will be darkened. And that's the reason why you hate the Bible. Maybe you want, when you are given the Bible, it's so beautiful, it's so nice, I want to have it, but it's close. It's close in your life. You don't like to read it. That's why, if you compare it, you have long time with your cell phone. You bring it with you, you put it in your pocket, your cell phone goes with you everywhere you go, even in CR. But the Bible, you read. Because you are under curse. And many times we don't know that we are under the curse. But there is a curse reversal when we obey the Lord in the Lord.